Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today I'm going to show you how to change the dome lights on this 2009 Cadillac CTS. Alright guys, you got your dome lights. This one is not working. See, this one turns on, this one doesn't. So you need to get behind here. The way you do this, you got to prise this down. There's 4 clips that hold this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you could do this with your hands, or you could use one of these trim tools and do it, okay? Just get under here and pry it out. Next, you need to take off the light assembly. It's held down by 2 screws, one there and one on top there. They are Torx screws, and they look like this. They look like a little star. And this is a T10, okay? Make sure you don't lose the screws. So now this whole thing comes out. Oops, I lost the screw. It's okay. Anyway, so this is the lens. I'm gonna disconnect it from here to make it easier on myself. So you just pull this tab up and pull the wire, okay? Now this is free. Next, we gotta take off this lens. It's held down by 1 tab over here and 1 on this side. So this side, you're gonna push in with like a screwdriver or something. So push in and it pops up. And now this is your bulb. Now your bulb, if you could grab it, it's hard to grab. So try to get under here and pry it up with a screwdriver. Maybe now it's loose enough. There you go. Loose enough to take out. That's what your bulb looks like. All right guys, the right bulb for this application are 2825s. I only got the 194s. They'll fit, but they're not gonna be as bright. So for now, I'm just gonna put these in. They just push right in. That's it. Now put your lens in. It's gonna go on this side first, like that, and then just push in place. That's that. Ready to put in. All right guys, plug it in first, and then you just put it back in place. Line up the holes. Okay. Okay, there's one. Yeah, the screw flew over here someplace. All right, test it before you put it back in. Make sure it works, okay? Both sides are working. Now you're gonna line up these clips to the holes and just push it in place. All right, guys, they're both working now. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.